Hi, this is Catherine Dubberly, the Answer Lady. I've created a new stitch for loom knitters called the Wavy Lines Cable. It's surrounded by a little bit of laciness. Let's just get right into it. Here come rows 5 and 6 of the wavy lines. Slip 1, knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 stitches before you get to the first wavy line. And going left to right, they'll all be knitted. The wavy line is always purled. Both of the wavy lines, I should say, each of which is comprised of 2 stitches. Now on this row, we wrapped some empty pegs last row, and they are now going to knit off normally, and these will be knit stitches. Knit, knit, knit. Behave yourself. Purl. Purl. That's our second wavy line. And knit the remainder of the stitches. And this will complete row 5 for the knitting portion, but we move stitches again on row 5. And you may be noticing a pattern. Stitches are only ever moved to create the waves, the ones we've knitted from left to right. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is stitch 7 is now moving to peg 6, and stitch 8 to peg 7. Empty space, 3 knit stitches. There's our wavy line. So this is peg 10, 11, stitches 12 and 13, moving out to pegs 13 and 14. Now we'll knit back, and this will be very much like the last return row, in that there will be 2 stitches on some of the pegs, and they will be pegs that receive purling, and we will just treat those 2 stitches as one. So as usual, we slipped the very first peg, which, for your information, if you're a new knitter, that just means don't wrap, don't knit. Purl 3, there I'm knitting 1, purl 2, these are our wavy lines, wrap 1, no knitting is possible, knit 3, these will be between the wavy lines, of course, wrap 1, purl 2, this is our second wavy line, and that transfer on row 5 took this pair of lines as far away from the center of the work as we're planning on taking it. However, if you needed a bigger motif, you could work on more pegs with more stitches and allow your wavy lines to diverge and converge more times. We make a bigger, more dramatic pattern suitable to a very large sweater or a blanket or a big purse, perhaps, even a wall hanging. After the 2 purls, we did 1 knit stitch. I'm now doing the 3 purls that make the garter stitch at the edge, and the 1 knit stitch that finishes every row. There we are.